So Final Fantasy 16 has been out for a while now on the PlayStation 5. This game is pretty much a game for anyone that wants to be interested in the Final Fantasy series but has never stepped into it. This might be a great starting title for you if you never played a Final Fantasy game. That being said, if you're a big fan of the Final Fantasy series and you played past Final Fantasies, this may or may not be your cup of tea. It's more of an action game more so than an RPG. The setting is a little bit more of a dark fantasy, so if you played The Witcher, that actually might be your cup of tea. The combat is very action focused, like a Devil May Cry. Funny enough, the battle director is from Devil May Cry. The game has a lot of Final Fantasy tropes, but it plays more like an action game. So it's not my favorite Final Fantasy, but I can see where this would be great for anyone that's interested in the franchise, has never tried it, or someone that wants something new from the franchise. Final Fantasy 16 is that game. And this is what the game would look like on PS5. I'm playing on just a regular monitor, nothing crazy. So the color's a little bit more washed out. Something you'll notice about this game is the color tone and palette is always washed out. So this is the game. I enjoyed the game. It's not my favorite, but there's a place for this game for everyone. There's a reason why this game did really well, though.